Have you ever felt like life is passing everyone by except you? You try again and again, but nothing changes. Every day feels heavier than the last. You promise yourself a better future. But something holds you back. You're not lazy. You're not weak. You are simply lost, unsure how to begin. If you feel stuck while others move ahead, then this story is for you. Because sometimes transformation doesn't come from the outside. It begins when you master yourself. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe, because one story can change your whole life. In a quiet valley surrounded by hills lived a young man named Aaron. Aaron was bright, curious, full of ideas and dreams, yet he never found his path. He tried farming, carpentry, painting, but quit each time. People whispered he gives up too soon. One night, under the stars, he whispered, "Why can't I finish what I start?" The next morning, he went to Master Kyle, an old craftsman. Kyle said, "Life doesn't change you unless you change yourself. Pick one skill, commit." Aaron chose rope weaving. The first days were painful, his fingers bruised, ropes snapped. Villagers mocked him, but for the first time, he didn't give up. Weeks turned to months, his ropes improved stronger, better. Then a violent storm hit the valley. Houses shook, crops ruined. Even his ropes tore apart. Many villagers lost hope. But not Aaron. Through cold winds and mud, he repaired ropes and rebuilt barns. Day after day, hands blistered, body tired, spirit strong. Villagers noticed, this is not the boy who gave up. Years passed. Aaron became known across valleys, not just for skill, but for character. Aaron discovered the greatest secret. Success comes from mastering yourself. Your fears, doubts, excuses, these chains break you. Change happens day by day, knot by knot, hour by hour. Pick one skill. Stay consistent. One day, you'll realize you built yourself. Aaron finally understood something powerful. Growth doesn't happen when life gets easier. It happens when you get stronger. No one was coming to save him. No magical moment. No perfect day. Only one truth remained. If he wanted a different life, he had to become a different version of himself. And that change had to start today, not tomorrow. If this story inspired you, don't keep it to yourself. Like the video, share it with someone who needs hope, and subscribe for more stories that help you grow.